Alright, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today I got a few shoes right here, 6 pairs that I'm going to be showing you guys. Some of these I've been selling, some of these I'm keeping for the personal collection, as there is a couple pairs I got for a good deal that are my size, so you know, I'm going to be wearing them, and I'll be showing you guys kind of what we're adding to the collection, what we're selling, what we're doing. So, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Simple, I mean, really, I don't even know I'm going to title this video. Probably just unboxing something. I don't even know. I don't really have an idea of what I want to title it. Just, you know, we're just going to be showing pairs, really, what we got from, you know, Dreamville Sneaks. So, shout out Dreamville Sneaks as always for giving me the great deals. I really appreciate it. And I will say this, there is a pair of Oreos that I got here. And I just want to tell everybody, I know a lot of people that watch me probably follow their account, but I got these fairly. I promise you, we did not rig nothing for me to get these Oreo 4s. When they put them up in their story, it was literally a whole minute later where I swiped up and was like, yo, are these still available for the retail steal? And nobody had swiped up after almost basically 2 minutes and even claimed these. So I claimed them. It was fair and square. I promise y'all. I just want to make sure everybody knows that. I'm not about rigging nothing, doing that. That's not the type of person I am. And also just like, you know what I mean? Like, I reposted it on my story for other people to see it because I wanted other people to get a chance at it. But of course I was still going to try for it. You know what I mean? But enough said. Subscribe and like for more videos like this if you want to. Just wanted to get all that out of the way. And yeah, I guess let's get showing you guys what we got right here. So first things first, we actually have 2 pairs of size 9 foam runners, and also Dreamville's account. I'll leave it in the description if I remember it, just in the YouTube description. But if not, you got the it was on the screen. But 2 pairs of foam runners right here. Got these for a pretty good deal. And you guys can see right here, I'll show them to you. Both size 9. I sold one to my friend because he wanted a pair, and then the other one I'm taking down to a sneaker store locally. Honestly, I am a fan of you know, the wave runners. I think these are pretty interesting. Or not wave runners, foam runners, but it just, I don't know, I think they're a little too much for me. But this kind of, I mean, this could be like a shoe, you know, I could rock around the house. You know, of course, if you wore these or Yeezy slides without any socks, you're going to regret it. You're going to be, the amount of blisters you're going to get is going to be absolutely miserable, especially if you have sweaty feet. I guess that's a random detail, but yeah, you just don't do that. You know what I mean? You got to wear those with socks or it just would not be no fun. But I think that's kind of, you know, with most slides, I feel like. Well, not all of them, but we're getting off topic. I don't even know what I'm talking about there, but yeah, 1 pair of sand foam runners. Again, we got one right there, size 9, and then another one we got right here, you know, with the box and all that, tag, everything. You can see right there. I don't think that's focusing, but yeah, you can see also, there you go. They even shout out Dreamville for even, I think they added this tag and kind of reattached it with like this wire right here, not wire, but you know, you can see what I'm talking about. And yeah, you know, just another pair right there. And you know, this could be, I'd probably honestly get a different colorway. I like the sand one, but if I was going to get a pair to wear around, like if they had like a, I'm not sure if they have an all brown foam runner, but I feel like that'd be pretty nice. Something like the core, like a core Yeezy slide, but as a foam runner. That would be something I'd go for, and I'd actually like to get for a personal pair, just to kind of, again, wear around the crib or whatever. But right there, just showing y'all right off the bat, 2 pairs of foam runners. Don't really need to talk about those for too long since they're the same shoe, and you know, we all know what they look like. They're weird in hand, interesting quality control on them as always. I mean, they're just straight rubber, so I mean, there's only so much Yeezy could do in terms of, if people hate on the quality control of foam runners, then my response would just be like, bro, they're rubber. What were you expecting? You know what I mean? And it's nothing shocking coming from Yeezy, but both these look good. And yeah, these are super hot selling locally. In terms of, this is the easiest shoe I've ever sold, ever. I've never had a pair for longer than an hour. I swear. Literally, it takes like 30 minutes for me to sell a pair. Like stores around my area will be like, yeah, we'll pay over 300. Yeah, we want them. Like, it's crazy, but they can probably sell them for 450 to people. You know what I mean? That's the blessing of owning a store you can tax. But if I owned a store, I'd be the first store to give deals. Maybe. Alright, let's just get into it though. And also, I thought this was cool as part of the unboxing. You know, we got 2 different colored Jordan boxes, and we might be adding both these to the personal collection. So, you know, it's kind of cool. Just the boxes, how they're both different. Since, again, this is Uni Blue, and then this is Oreo. Again, this resembles a OG white cement colorway a little bit, if I'm correct. It resembles it pretty strongly. But yeah, looking at this, I mean, this shoe is fire in hand. Of course, I'm definitely, I mean, shoot, I gotta honestly decide. Like, this might be a split kind of decision, but I'm gonna give myself a bit of time to decide what I'm gonna do with these. But I honestly will probably rock them because I mean, these are just clean, and I mean, I'm not gonna miss out at a pair that I caught for retail in my size. You know what I mean? Like, that's where I'm a 4 fan. Like, I feel like this is just, I mean, they'll go up to, like, I have no shame in wearing a shoe that I'll make money wearing, you know what I mean? Like, over time, if I keep these good condition, I'll bet you I'll be able to sell these used for what I bought them for new eventually, you know what I mean? If I just keep them good condo, especially since I got them for like $210. So yeah, right there, all the unique details, of course, the typical Jordan 4 bubble, you know, nothing out of the ordinary, and just super clean in hand, man. I mean, if you got a pair of these, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, these are just nice. So yeah, got those right there. Really glad to have them. Yeah, I don't know why. I almost dropped that right there, but I'm really stoked about this. I don't know why. I just think that's really cool about the 2 different color boxes. Maybe I'm tripping, but I think that's pretty cool. I'm sure some other people can do every color dunk box. You know, they got the purple one, they got the you know, that rainbow pattern one, they got the you know, the red one, orange one. I'm sure there's people that got all kinds of boxes, but that's not really, you know, it's not really what we collect, I guess. But, you know, the boxes just are what comes with the shoe right there. But this is also a pair. I've actually already shown you guys this exact pair before. But I took the pair that they gave me right there. And basically what I'm doing is I'm having to decide whether I'm going to rock these, because I'm either going to flip these, because again, I also got a pair of these for retail. They really hooked me up with a great pair, which is sitting right over there. And I'm just gonna, I think, hold the pair that they got me for retail and then wear this other pair that I got, since they're both the same size. You know, just kind of like a size swap thing, if you know what I mean. Just to like save me some money down the line. And you know, it actually did save me some money. Saved me about like $140. So you know, that was the overall good play. And a good move. So again, I'll always shout out to Dreamville, just giving the great deals. I don't know how many times I've said shout out to Dreamville this video, but I will stop because I know I've said it enough, and it's going to become a meme at this point if I just say it too much. I know you guys too well. Trust me, you guys will turn your backs on me. Not really, but yeah, overall, 4s are always clean, man. 4s are invincible too. Like, this is a sturdy shoe. Like, the shoe's not going to get ruined, nothing. Well, it can get ruined, you know, because they're suede. So one thing I do need to do is buy a suede cleaner, because I've started buying some suede shoes, so I need to buy a suede cleaner, because you cannot clean suede on water. If you clean suede on water with soap, your shoe's going to get destroyed. I've seen the pictures, and I'm not gonna go down like that, you know what I mean? So I definitely got to be more careful. But yeah, 23, so for all my Flight Reacts fans, psych, don't want to make anybody piss right there. I know it's Jordan's number. Yes, comment section, don't destroy me. But yes, overall, another one with the cement. So I guess I'm kind of been feeling the cement pattern lately. So pretty cool. And yeah, I've already shown you all these ones before, so I don't really want to show you all those no more. So again, haven't really decided what I'm doing with both these. I might flip these, but I have to decide what I'm kind of feeling, because I feel like I really like these to have in the collection, because they're kind of like the metallic 4s, but you know, they're switched up. I just like white Jordan 4s. I have pure monies too, so like, yeah. And these ones, I mean, I'll probably flip these. I'm not a huge Uni 4 fan. They are clean in hand, they are, but I'm not a massive fan, and I think I'd have a bit of trouble pulling them off. But I think the one time I would like them would be to rock them in the summer. So kind of knowing that, might be a shoe, you know, I keep wearing in the summer, that type of thing. But I'll probably just wear it all types, because you know, Jordan 4s are more or less a winter shoe more than a summer shoe. Definitely, that's for sure true. But another thing I'll show right here, also this, we got a pair of Yeezy 350 Zions right here. So as you guys can see, a dead stock pair, never worn, great condition, and I'm definitely going to be selling these, since I'm just not a 350 fan, and these are a little bit too out there for me. But they are dope, so you know, just keep that in mind, I guess. And the stutter fest continues as I'm super tired this morning, if you cannot tell, but we're getting through the unboxing. And yeah, everything clean about it, you already know. Size 10.5, so there you go, you can see that size 10.5 right there. And yeah, you know, yeah, I'll show you all the other one too, because I didn't show that. But I mean, I'm happy when I get dead stock pairs, because dead stock pairs are easy to flip. So I might bring this down with me to the shoe store I'm going to later, see what if they want these too. But I'll probably just post these on my Instagram, and you know, just give someone a good deal, because I mean, if Dreamville gave me some deals, I might as well, you know, give some deals to the people too, you know what I mean? So that's really all I gotta say right there. And another pair of 350s. Surprised it's not many dead stock pairs of Zions, I feel like, out there, but well, these didn't release too long ago, so I think there's plenty, you know what I mean? And then also, finally, last one right here is size 7Y. This is my brother's size, so I might you know, give him this pair for back to school, because this is a clean pair, so Uni 1s. I have to decide whether I'm going to give him these or the Fire Red 4s. So I have to kind of make up my mind. I'm either going to give him a Fire Red 4 pair, or these, I'm pretty sure these are dead stock, but yeah, never worn, 7Y, Uni 1s. Uni 1s are super clean in hand. These are just like, it's going to be a very valuable Jordan in the future. I mean, any university colorway rises, but just I can tell you this one for sure is going to be valuable in the future. And I mean, I know my friend Ian wants a pair for the personal collection, so if I get a pair in his size, I'm definitely gonna hit him up. But we'll try and get him a deal there if we can. But yeah, it's hard to find kind of the bigger sizes. Grade school ones, you can find a couple more deals, but bigger sizes right now, those like my 11.5 in my uni one selling for $420 right now. So I'll take that, you know what I mean? So that's it. I've already made $70 holding that pair, but I'm gonna, again, any shoes that I'm holding, people are telling me, you know, sell your shoes, sell the shoes you're holding, you have too many pairs. Here's my concept of holding shoes. I'm not selling them soon. So, you know, don't worry about it. I'm selling these for like over a year down the line, I'll be selling these. You know, this is just some money I'm putting aside. I already have money to resell, as you can tell, you know what I mean? I already have resale money and, you know, stuff I'm flipping there. This is just some other money I'm just putting aside. And, you know, just waiting. We're just letting it sit, kind of like some stocks or something like that. You know what I mean? So that's my concept of holding shoes. But that's the unboxing we got right there. Everything, as you guys can see, I guess we'll kind of hold the camera right there. And the few pairs. So gonna go drop these off to my friend Ian, sell this one to the store, and then we'll kind of figure out what we're doing with the rest of these today. But that's really everything we got right there today. So if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. I'd appreciate it. Again, no like goal in this video, just as many as possible to help the channel get out there. Any questions, leave them down below. Any videos you want to see, leave them down below. I'll, of course, do any ideas you guys want me to. I'll definitely try and hit you all with another resale video soon because I hopefully have that backdoor play coming soon. And if I do, that video is going to be dope. And if, you know, I mean, if everything comes through, that group's 100% legit, all that, then I'd be super hype. I've been looking for a good backdoor like that. Also, won't pop up on the screen, but my Instagrams, Discord, all that are in the description. If you want to check them out, feel free. They'll be there. And yeah, everything I need to say. I'll eventually, too, people, you know, tell me sell this. Bro, give me like 10 years, and then I'll sell this, bro. I'm like, trust me, 10 years from now, yeah, like, run me my 10, 20K, you know what I mean? Like, we're thinking here, just trust me. But it is already built, so yes, value does decrease slightly, but not by much. I mean, I got people still willing to pay me $1,500 for that right now. So that's everything I need to say. I'm Tristan, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.